Okay, so question asked to me was how to control kama. Kama is basically desire or lust. So before we know how to control kama, we must know what kama is. If you read Hindu scripture Yoga Vasishtha, it talks about kama, that kama in its pure form is God itself. But in our daily language and in our social structure, kama has got very bad reputation. It is a taboo topic, people don't want to talk about it. They have their own psychological mental disorders related to physical activities attached and superimposed on kama, and they don't respect the sacred energy of kama. So before we go into controlling kama, we must admit and accept that this is a sacred energy, a form of energy in us which has been given to us by God to reproduce. Every creature in this world reproduces their own types using this energy. So how to control this energy? You can control it by being thoughtful and being watchful about this energy. But as I said earlier, in a sacred mode. Before I talk further, I will mention that please go through my previous video which I made on energy and consciousness, which will help you to make a background on what I am going to talk now. So kama is basically a sacred form of energy which is created due to superimposition of sattva, guna and rajas virtues of this physical reality. But anyway, we won't go in technicalities of this. Just let us talk about what is the real life application of this in controlling the desire or lust. So when desire and lust comes in you, mostly it can come anytime, but just take an instance, suppose you are sitting alone in your room and because of some previous experiences or your thoughts or psychological disorder, this desire and lust lands on you. So instead of just start to indulge into a physical activity, just sit still, don't do anything and watch this energy, what it is doing to you. In the mode of desire and lust, you will see that a energy of kama is rising in you and it is focused at your genital area. But don't get overwhelmed by it and don't start doing any physical activity, as I said. Just be watchful about it. And close your eyes, take deep breath. Do it many times and have a very sacred or pure thought about this energy. Don't include any obscene or dirty thoughts associating this energy. Just think about it, that this is the energy given by God. It is within me and I worship it. It is a sacred energy. I am glad that you are within me. I am just watching you. And you will feel that although it started from your genital area, slowly this energy will start spreading all over your body and it will have very excellent effect on your brain. You will start feeling very good. And slowly after few minutes it will start cooling down and it will dissipate and it will go away. So see, it did and nothing harm to you. It is your own physical and psychological disorders which you have related to make this energy as dirty. But in basic of this energy is not obscene or dirty. So this is the way you can let this energy come on you and let it go without indulging into a unsafe sex or unsafe physical activity. But as I said, it is not something, it doesn't mean that I am stopping you to do your social or physical requirements which are associated with you and your legal partner. I am just talking about when you don't want unnecessarily to indulge yourself into sexual activity, and that is the case when you want to control this energy. So if you see my previous video, I talked about the nature of consciousness and energy, and same thing we are doing here. We are controlling, or in fact not controlling but channeling the energy using our consciousness. So here there were two key points. One was your attention and consciousness, and second was have a very sacred feeling about this energy. Never attach any obscenity, any dirty feelings about this energy. This energy is very sacred. Hope it helps. Thank you.